money ang El Corso Lifestyle Mall sa Philinvest, and then may dagat, right? Then across that may Sky Bridge, and then going to the visitor center. That's where we are right now. Kung ninyo makita nga murag balay na murag showroom there is a City de Mayo. And then good news guys, to the right, before ka maabot, somewhere here it will be a standalone store. So finally, Nanay Jollibee ang South Road Properties. So many ang future look of City de Mayo guys. Very massive. Look at the development. Look at that. The future is awesome with here at City de Mayo. Nanay Jollibee somewhere dere na stretch. And kung makita ninyo outside guys, so kanang nagikural dira mo na siya area. So at bang nagay siya sa New Star. Exciting.
What is New Star?
Yes, New Star is somewhere here.